Hi, in this video I will show you how to make these moon paper earrings. They are quite easy to make and then I will show you how to make one of these. Okay, you will need some glitter paper and a heart punch. You will need 2 hearts for this part, back and forth. Okay, and then you will need, in my case I use some black glitter paper. You will need 2 circles. Voila. Now you will need to glue together the 2 black circles for each ring, earring. Okay, like in this way. Okay, now that you have the circle, you will need to create the moon shape, and with your paper circle you will do in this way. Okay, and then cut. Voila. If you want to make more a shape, you can also use your scissors and then cut in this way. Voila. Now, because this paper, glitter paper, is white on the back, you will need a permanent marker. In order to do this, we will color all the white that we have in order to create a moon totally black. You will do this. Okay. Better to use a permanent marker so it dries quite quickly. Okay, and now okay, leave it to dry. Now check this one, and then we will put this near the border. So in order to create the hole, it's better to do in this way. Okay, so create the hole. Okay, voila. And now we can glue together our 2 parts. Okay. Okay. Now we we will need to punch a hole here and here, and you can punch a hole where you prefer. I will do like in this way here for my moon, and here for my hearts. Okay, a little bigger, it's better. Okay, now we will put together our paper earring. Voila, and now it's ready. And if you want to add, like mine, a little something, I added another little art, but you can put a flower or a dot in glitter or a pearl, anything you like, because this is a quite rough paper. You will need to leave to dry for a minute your paper, but at the end here your ring. So they're quite nice, isn't it? And you can wear in this way or in this way. They are quite nice for this summer holidays season. Okay, I hope you enjoy my video. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.